Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 15 and the chapter name is Shivaji. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can give your lots of time in your study. Complete your homework. I hope that you are doing your homework in your fair copy. So if you are not doing, then please complete it. You have a lots of time because whenever the school is going to open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records. So it's better that you should complete your all homework in fair copy. Please complete your all homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. So I have all the records, so it's better that you should also complete your all homework on time. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus, because it's a very dangerous virus. Because of this virus we can die also. So it's better that we should stay at home and protect yourself and your family from this virus. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And after finishing the chapter, again I will give you homework so that you can go through the website and check your homework, and again you just complete it in your copy. So please complete it on time. And let's start the chapter. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase your book as soon as possible. And once this chapter will finish, so and the online class will finish, you can sit and then again you can read properly once again. So here we are talking about the Shivaji, and please check out the pencil also. So the which line I told you to underline, just you should underline it, the important part of history. So first of all, Shivaji. Shivaji was a brave Maratha ruler. So you know that Shivaji was a brave Maratha ruler. He was born at Shivneri near Pune in 1627 CE to Jijabai and Sahaji Bhonsle on official in the court of the Sultan of Bajpur. So please you can underline from he was. Now from here he was born at Shivneri near Pune in 1627 to Jijabai and Sahaji Bhonsle. But only that much you have to underline it. So Shivaji he was a very brave Marathan ruler. He was born at the Shivneri near Pune. He born in Pune in Shivneri in 1627 CE to Jijabai and Sahaji Bhonsle in his official court of the Sultan of Bijapur. At a very young age, Shivaji learned horse riding and the art of warfare. So at his very young age, Shivaji he learned the horse riding and the art of warfare, that how we can war with the sword. Then the Shivaji conquest, that where he expanded his empire. So let's start his kingdom. Now Shivaji wanted to build a Maratha kingdom. He gathered a group of young men and formed his own army. So first of all, Shivaji he just wanted to build a Maratha kingdom, just like the Mughal kingdom is there. So like the same, he just wanted to build the Maratha kingdom. And then after he gathered, means he just called some group of young men, and then he formed his own army. means 11-12 peoples are there, and then after he formed his own army. He mostly used the guerrilla mode of warfare to fight. Shivaji, he mostly used the guerrilla, means a form of war in which a small group of soldiers fight against official soldiers, means just they usually try to change a government. So he mostly fight in this small group of people in front of the official soldiers to try to change the government. This means that his army would carry out sudden attacks. So this means that his army would carry out sudden attacks on the enemy and then quickly hide in the nearby jungles or hills. So this means that his army, his small army, Shivaji's small army, he just has to, he would carry out this attack suddenly, that no preparation, nothing like that war, and then directly he can go and he can attack on the enemy, and then quickly he can hide in nearby the jungles and or hills, so that no one will found him and his army. Then in this way he was able to occupy a number of forts. So in this way that he made his own small army, and then after he fight suddenly on the enemies, and then he just quickly hide nearby the jungles and hills. For this way he just able to, Shivaji, he was able to occupy in his control, to occupy a number of forts in his control. A fort is a building which is built to protect an area from attack. So fort means what? You can underline from here, fort meaning. So from a fort is a building which is built to protect an area from attack. A fort is a building which is built to protect an area from attack. So fort is what? It is like a building which is built to what? To protect an area from that attack. So it was built to protect a kingdom from its enemy. So fort is what? It was built because to protect the kingdoms from the enemies. Generally, forts were built on a hilltop or on high ground, so that one could have a good view of the surrounding area and easily see the enemies approaching from a distance. So exactly the fort, it was built to protect a kingdom from their enemies, but the fort was always built. It was always built nearby or on the hilltop, means on the hilltop, on the high hilltop or on the high ground, so that they can have a good view. Like if high they can make the fort, so that they can see from the eyes, they have a good view of the surrounding areas, and they can see easily that if enemies is coming, so that they can see from a distance, from a high distance, from a long distance, and then they can ready for the fight and for the war. Then during 1645 to 47 CE, Shivaji captured the forts of Torna and Purandar from the Bajpur army. Then after, during the 1645 period to 47 CE period, means in 3 years, 45, 46, 47, in 3 years, Shivaji, he took in his control the forts of Torna and Purandar from the Bajpur army. Then next topic, the next line we will see in the next videos. So please guys watch the lecture number 2 and please read the chapter. It is in historical. So it's better that you should read and please understand the chapter. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.